Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to design a marketing agency company website with WordPress CMS and free Elementor page builder. And this is the fifth video of this video series, and we're going to design a services page in this video. Okay, and the services page, most of the services page contains a replication of we have done in the about us page and the home page. So let's go to these two pages and save the section that we're going to reuse as templates. Let's edit the about us page first. We do. Okay. Let's copy this. Let's save as template. Let's call it what we do. Save it. Okay, and go to home page. Okay, edit this home page too. Then save this, create layout as template, services, save it. Okay, now we can go to services page. Services page, edit page. Okay, make sure it is Elementor full white template, then edit with Elementor. Okay, my templates, what we do, insert it, no. Okay, this is what we do. Our services, change the background color to and then go to my templates, what we do, services, insert it, no. Okay, that's it. What we do, blah blah blah, some few descriptions of our services, and then this is what we do, types of services. Then we can insert a 2-column section like this and go to background. We can insert a background image, or you can just use orange color, Pompi color history, use this. Okay, or little. Okay, like this, little lighter. Set advance, 100 pixel at the top, 100 at the bottom. Okay, button here, center align, large, contact us, contact page. Go to style, background color white. Okay, and this color, like this. And here let's copy this paste it. Get your business solutions today, or marketing solutions today. And you can also some text, blah 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 blah. Go to section setting, layout, but again align middle. Okay, like this. And you can also put this button at the bottom, delete this column like this, and make it them align at the center. Here, same here, center like this. Okay, and here at this button, let's add some margin at the top, margin about 40. Okay, like this. Update it. That's it for the services page. Okay, and we can design a portfolio contact page in the next upcoming videos. Okay, see you in the next video, and don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.